Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm your science teacher. All the students who joined us now, please note down the course content for midterm. Unit number 1, the human body. Unit number 4, the life cycle of animals. Unit 5, the life cycle of a plant. Unit 6, materials. And Unit 7, force. Today's lecture is taken from Unit number 1, the human body. We are going to learn about two topics. Number 1, the human brain, and number 2, the sense organs. For this, you are going to open your books on page 3 and then 4. Dear student, note down the meanings of important words. Number 1, memory. Memory means things and events stored in the brain. Environment means everything around us. Message means information. Balance means stable. Odors mean smells. Pores mean small holes. So dear student, this is the first topic, the human brain. This is the picture of the human brain. It just looks like a walnut. In the previous lecture, I have told you that the human body consists of many organs and systems. All these organs and systems have their own specific jobs or functions. These functions are controlled by the human brain. So human brain is the control center of the body. As it is an important organ of your body, so its protection is very much important. It is protected by a bony structure that is called the skull. The human brain consists of 3 parts. The upper larger part is called the cerebrum. Beneath the cerebrum is the cerebellum, and the lowermost part is called the brainstem. Another name for the brainstem is medulla. All the 3 parts of the brain have their own functions. The cerebrum controls the memory, thinking, and the 5 senses in the body. Cerebellum controls the muscle activities of the body. Brainstem or medulla control those activities that are going inside in the body. For example, the function of the stomach, heart, kidneys, etc. Now we will move towards the next topic. 5 senses. As you know that there are 5 senses, namely sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Can you name the organs involved in these senses? Okay. Repeat with me. The organ of touch is the hand. The organ of smell is the nose. The organ of sight is the eye. The organ of hearing is the ear. The organ of taste is the tongue. Very good, you are right. We have 5 senses: sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. So here you can see a complete picture of all the 5 sense organs. Ear, the organ of hearing; nose, the organ of smell; eye, the organ of sight; mouth, the organ of taste; and hand, the organ of touch. Why sense organs are important? These sense organs help to sense the world around us. Sense organs take information and send it to the brain so that we can be aware of our environment. These sense organs are also important because they keep us safe from danger. This is the first sense organ. This is called an eye. It's the organ of sight. Eyes are 2 in number, as you know all. When the eyes see something, they send the message to the brain. The brain tells us what we are seeing. Ears, the organ of hearing. The ears receive sound from the surrounding. The sound are carried to the brain. The sounds are carried to the brain. The brain tells us what is making the sound and where the sound is coming from. So our ears enable us to hear, and they also keep our balance. Without the ears, we will not be able to stand upright, or we will not be able to sit properly or stand. Now, this is a nose. This is an organ of smell. What is this? This is a nose and it is an organ of smell. You know that many things give off their own smell, scents and odors. Odors also means smell. These smells travel through the air. These smells travel through the air. And the nerves in the nose receive these cells. What are nerves? Nerves are those wire-like structures, you can call them. They are special tissues, they are special cells present in the nose, which transmit or send the information of these smells to the brain. Now the brain tells us if the smells are pleasant or not, if the smells are good or not. This is a tongue and it's an organ of taste. The tongue helps us to taste things. The tongue is covered with tiny pores on it, small bud-like structures on it. And these small pores or buds are called the taste buds. These taste buds tells us whether something is sweet, sour, bitter, salty or hot. The tongue also helps us to talk. When the tongue moves, we are able to talk. This is the last sense organ and that is called the skin. Skin is all around your hands. So you can call hand as an organ of touch or skin as an organ of touch. See, I have discussed the word nerves in the nose topic. These are the nerves. These nerves are also present in the these nerves are also present in the skin also, and they send information to the brain whether a thing is hot or whether you are feeling some pain or whether a thing is cold or any type of sensation is detected by the skin. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.